Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you a fun and creative way to use stones for home decoration. This DIY project is perfect for adding a unique touch to your living space. Let's get started. Materials needed: 1. Assorted stones. 2. Acrylic paint. 3. Paintbrushes. 4. Hot glue gun. 5. Canvas or wooden board. 6. Pencil. 7. Clear varnish. Optional. Step 1. Collecting and cleaning stones. Start by collecting a variety of stones in different shapes and sizes. Make sure to clean them thoroughly with water and let them dry completely before painting. Step 2. Painting the stones. Using acrylic paint and a paintbrush, paint each stone in different colors and patterns. Get creative with your designs and let your imagination run wild. Allow the paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Arranging the stones. Once the painted stones are dry, arrange them on a canvas or wooden board in a pattern or design of your choice. Play around with different layouts until you find one that you love. Step 4. Gluing the stones. Using a hot glue gun, carefully glue each stone onto the canvas or wooden board. Make sure to press down firmly to ensure that the stones are securely attached. Step 5. Finishing touches. If desired, you can apply a coat of clear varnish over the stones to protect the paint and give the artwork a shiny finish. Allow the varnish to dry completely before displaying your creative stone art in your home. Here are some additional tips and ideas to enhance your creative stone art project. 1. Use different shapes and sizes of stones to create dimension and texture in your artwork. 2. Experiment with different painting techniques such as splatter painting, gradient colors, or geometric patterns. 3. Consider adding other elements to your stone art, such as dried flowers, shells, or beads for a mixed media effect. 4. Create a series of stone art pieces that can be displayed together as a cohesive collection. 5. Personalize your stone art by incorporating meaningful symbols, quotes, or initials into the design. 6. Display your finished stone art on a shelf, mantel, or gallery wall to showcase your creativity and add a unique touch to your home decor. Feel free to customize this project to suit your personal style and preferences. Have fun exploring different ways to use stones in your home decoration. Certainly. Here are a few more ideas to inspire your creative stone art project. 7. Create a mosaic design using small, colorful stones to form intricate patterns or images. 8. Use metallic or glitter paint to add a touch of shimmer and sparkle to your stone art. 9. Arrange the stones in a mandala pattern for a calming and meditative effect. 10. Paint inspirational words or phrases on the stones to create uplifting and motivational artwork. 11. Consider creating a nature-inspired scene using stones to depict elements like trees, mountains, or animals. 12. Experiment with different base materials for your stone art, such as canvas, wood, or paper, to create a variety of textures and finishes. Feel free to combine these ideas or come up with your own unique concepts to make your stone art project truly one of a kind. Enjoy the process of creating and let your imagination guide you in expressing your creativity through stone art. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique piece of stone art for your home. We hope you enjoyed this DIY project and feel inspired to get creative with stones in your own home decor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Thanks for watching.